Welcome to this tutorial on the GameMaster AI plugin suite. Today we'll have a look at the narrative assistant module of which comes after the TTS module. So in this tutorial we are going to have a look at the generation of game briefs as per the settings we give to the model, we give to the plugin or AI, whatever you call it. Let's make the title of the game Space Wars. Space Wars, yeah, that's it. Like, and let's make the genre flying simulated, flying and fighting, flying and shooting. I think that should be better. Flying and shooting. Settings of futuristic, uh, human, interstellar, space exploration, mission set in the future. Set in the future. Audience, let's have universal, especially those who those who like shoot 'em ups, them ups, and flying simulators and flying sims. Tone. What should be the tone of the game? Uh, fun, action, light hearted. Player fantasy constraints, we are not going to look into that. Now let's add, just click the generate brief button. So this is his humanity's first interstellar mission to colonize a new planet is threatened by alien armada. As a skilled space pilot, players must navigate the dangers of space, engage in dogfights, and make strategic decisions to protect the fragile human colony. So players take on the role of Captain Jaxon Lee, a renowned space pilot with unparalleled skill. So and so it goes on. We'll save this to the canon and we save preset. We click on save preset. So that's about it. That's it for this tutorial. We'll be sharing this what the game brief generated by the plugin in the video description, so you can look towards it. You can look for it. Bye for now.